Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to install Google Gemini CLI on your Windows 11 PC or laptops. So Gemini CLI means you can use Gemini on your CMD. To use Gemini on your CMD, you need to install some tools on your Windows 11 computer. So firstly, you just need to install WSL. If you don't know how to install WSL, means Windows Subsystem for Linux, I have already made a separate video on this topic. To watch, I will give you the link on my video description. The second, you need to download Node.js. For that, simply you need to go to your start or search window, type PowerShell and right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator, and after that click on Yes. After open PowerShell, you need to type one command which will install the Node.js on your Windows computer. For that, you need to copy the command from my video description. So the command will be winget space install space -e space -- id space OpenJS.NodeJS. After that, press enter. It will download and install automatically on your computer. Once it will download completed successfully, you need to close the PowerShell. Now you need to open CMD as an administrator, and after that you need to type the npm command, which I'll give you also to my video description, and after that it will download completed successfully. After download, you need to select the theme for your Gemini, and after that you need to log in with your Google account. So here I will choose the first option, which is login with Google account. After done, you can use Gemini on your CLI, means command prompt window. So before ending this video, I would like to big thanks to all my channel members. A special shout out to everyone who regularly watches my videos and support the channel through membership. Your support truly means a lot. So if you want to support the channel too, then click on the join button and become a channel member to help me to making more helpful content like this. Thanks again for watching, and as always, I will see you on the next one.